So 20 to 60% off from the actual MRP. So must visit. Everyone. So it's Friday, 23rd July. We are going to, where are we going?
Ross.
Yeah, we are going to Ross, dress for sale, trying to check out some clothes. I'll take you through it. If you are interested in shopping and that is not online, want to go and check somewhere, it might be a good place. How are we going? We are taking bus. So right now taking bus number 37. Cool, see you there. या तो उधर जाना पड़ेगा या तो उधर बस स्टॉप है. So after taking 37, we are catching bus number 603 till Pico. Pua Pico. So finally we are here. It's Ross, dress for less. Do we have to wear mask?
Yep.
Oh God. हो गया यार. क्या क्या है बताओ ज़रा. So you have come here once, right? Many times. Several times. So we have shoes. We have shoes. Then school dresses, which we don't want, obviously. Let's scan around. We'll come to the shoes at the last.
Yeah.
No. Let's see. So if you want, ladies who want purses, bags. Oh, so they have bedsheet also. Yeah. Bedsheet ही नहीं है.
Yeah.
Perfect है.
Pillows also.
कितने के? So this is $19, $20 for a king size. Yeah, so if you're not getting a bed sheet from India, you can come here and purchase maybe. If not Target. You have pillows. कितने के है? $14, $15 for a jumbo size and 2 pieces.
There are some mattress also over there.
Mattress भी है.
Yeah.
बट लेके कैसे जाएंगे लोग? अरे यार ये पिलो तो अच्छे हैं.
So you want blankets, then you can purchase it.
Okay, so if they are not bringing it from India, they can come here and get one.
Yeah, obviously nobody like buys from outside.
Dude, this pillow is so good. उठने का मन कैसे करेगा यार इसके बाद? तो बहुत चीज़ें. ओह हो.
Yeah, you can.
कितना? 16 प्लस टैक्सेस तो वही 20 के आसपास मान लो.
So in California there is like 9.5% sales tax.
9.5. Okay.
If you are purchasing like $100, then you will have to pay 109.5.
0.5. Yes. So I mean, there are many things. If you want brooms, if you want all this stuff, just come here and take it. So maybe come with your flatmates, and if you want some doormats. चलो और बहुत चीज़ें यार, और जल्दी ख़त्म, मतलब जल्दी कर दे, फिर आगे भी चल रहे हैं. Okay, so you have
Laundry baskets.
laundry baskets available. हैंगर्स भी है.
If you want to purchase like blankets, then there is another option in Target also.
Target is better, right? Because it's nearby also. I think yeah, that is a better option. But if somebody wants to get in bulk, so we have hangers available. So if you don't get something from India, don't worry, you get all this non-stick pans. So everything is available over here. If you don't have space in your bag, don't stretch it, it's fine.
Chopping boards.
Oh, ये मेरे को चाहिए था. So you do get chopping boards. I thought we don't get it over here. So when I saw in Target, we were not getting this. So we बेलन बेलन भी है, but ये बहुत different type का बेलन है. इससे अगर मार पड़ेगी कैसा लगेगा? So yes, spatula है, चीज़ें हैं. So it's I think at least once you should come here and check out for yourself what do you need. क्या बोलते हो? So dollar store, ये सब चीज़ें you should at least visit once. चलो जो अपने काम के लिए वहाँ चलते हैं पहले. शूज़ लेने हैं.
They have not put any size.
Socks, okay. So they're a pair of 6 and it's what, $7-8. It's okay. Adidas is $20. Adidas G. Go back.
Usually take this. So Calvin Klein.
This is for $10 and how many? 6, right?
6 pairs.
I think 6 pairs. Okay. डबल एक्सेल क्या है ये? अच्छा $12 इतना सारा है. यहाँ कहाँ ढूंढते बैठेंगे भाई? That's the reason I love Decathlon. This one is nice, black. So how much? $10 and size slim fit. अगले साल पक्का आएगी. तो मुश्किल है. The whole problem of this place is, I think what I feel is, everything is just jumbled together. T-shirts, jackets, shirts. So if you come here, make sure that you have some sufficient time, because you will take a lot of time to find the exact thing that you want. I have taken a track pant to try it out. Let's see. अच्छा लग रहा है. It's double XL. $14. अच्छा लग रहा है ये. There you have the electronic stuff. These are all the shorts, the track pants, and बहुत कुछ है. वहाँ पर you have jeans, over there you have jeans stuff, the shoes, some bags. So make sure to try and come once, at least एक बार तो आके have a look. एक हुडी बहुत अच्छी पसंद आई है. $25. This is one hoodie which I liked a lot. MRP is $45. This is $25 for the Ross. The whole problem is size and obviously the price. है तो अच्छी. I don't think आएगी मेरे को. So 20 to 60% off from the actual MRP. So must visit. Till now we have taken few track pants, few t-shirts, shorts to try it out. Oh, खाने का सामान भी है. Let's see poses कितने के मिलते हैं इधर. This is $13 for a purse. Get it from India.
हाँ यार ये पैंट अगर थोड़ी लंबी होती ना तो ये ले लेते.
भाई ये क्या मजाक है.
एक सेकंड. हो गई
पैंट लंबी हो गई।
हो गई।
क्या किस्मत है भाई तेरी।
और
बट ले रहे हो फिर?
साइज कौन सा देखो?
जनरल पैंट्स कितने की मिलती है?
चढ़ी गई है।
कितने की है? 12-13 bucks. सही है। So I have taken one track pant and he has taken some shorts and jeans, right? क्या क्या है?
जीन्स,
T-shirts.
एंड
मैंने तो एक ट्रैक पैंट लिया। The quality is really nice. So do come and check it out here. So that's it for this small video. If you are in LA and you are interested to shop at a reasonable price and not online, definitely come here. There is one more store called as PJ Maxx, है ना?
yeah,
So that we will visit sometime else.
but it is in Santa Monica.
It is in Santa Monica, yes. So right now we are also going to Apple store in downtown. That is for the next vlog. So till then, peace.